Okay, so I saw this hack on Instagram to help you get your push-ups in, and I'm skeptical, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's basically using a resistance band, but you need those thick resistance band, like what we have over at Authentic, shameless plug, to do a push-up. Now, I'm gonna try to see how my push-ups are first before using the resistance band. I've been sick for about 2.5 weeks, and I have not been weight training as much, so I know my strength is not there anymore, and my push-ups ability probably also not there anymore. So I'm curious to see, but I'm gonna do a push-up first without the resistance band, and then I'm gonna do it with. So push-up form, um, shoulders, elbows, wrists in line, back straight, core tight. Inhale and exhale. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you go. Ain't no coming up, y'all. Ain't no coming up. All right. So now let's try it with the bands. All right, I'm trying it with the bands. So she had put it over her like this. Oh, this tight, Jaja. This tight. But she had put it like right here ish, like get comfortable. So this feel awkward, but we'll wait. I'm gonna push it down like a bit more. All right. All right. Let's see. So same position, shoulders, elbows, wrists in line, back straight. Let's see. Going down and coming up. Oh, okay. 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 A skeptical number. It's hella tight though. So I don't know. But let's see. So I push it down a little bit more so it's more comfortable. So try again. But still good. Yeah. So as you can see, it works. I think it was a little bit too tight, but I do have bigger size. I think I'm gonna try it with a bigger size. But I mean, just another reason for get yourself an authentic resistant band so you can work up your upper body strength and you can perfect your push-up form. Now, obviously the goal is to progress, to do a push-up where you don't need the band. But this is a great starting. It's better than a knees push-up because I feel like the knee push-up don't help with proper form. So, I mean, I'll be incorporating this more often to build my upper body strength, and eventually we're gonna get back to the point where we can do more push-ups we can actually go down and come up without the band.